In the first picture, we see a completely uninterrupted environment. Animals thrive in their natural habitat, and a stable food pyramid is upheld. There has been no human contact with the land, and all kingdoms are able to survive and reproduce effectively. The land is luscious with a multitude of grass, trees, and other plants. Although we can only see a portion of the organisms, there is evidence of a safe and healthy environment due to the presence of birds. This implies that there is little to no biological magnification, or small or even non-existent levels of impurity deposited into the food pyramid. Without disruption, the environment would continue to prosper. Here we see the process of construction on the land. We can see that most animals have been driven out due to the work occurring, leaving only some of the original organisms. A dirt path has been created in a part of the grass, and a construction truck is there to build aspects of the park, such as benches. Based on research, our industry discovered a company called TerraCycling, where numerous products are created solely through recycled material. The construction truck carries these recycled materials, and everything in the park will be made using the process. TerraCycling will reduce waste, avoid harm to organisms, and keep our park clean and healthy. Now our park appears very similar to its original state in relation to organisms and wildlife. However, the improvements made are also evident. One of the many TerraCycled benches is shown, as well as new plants like bushes and flowers. Wildlife and humans are able to coexist, the park a safe environment for them both. The path is a perfect walking trail, and the land around remains lush and prosperous. Some years later, we see that the park still thrives and organisms still uphold a healthy and balanced food pyramid. A swing set is added to make for a more family-friendly area and an enjoyable place for many. A dirt parking lot has also been added for the ease of our park's visitors. It was made sure that only a small portion of the grass was removed in an effort to avoid as much habitat destruction as possible and to keep our park green and beautiful. Finally, we see our present-day park. The pond creates housing for countless more organisms, and the lush environment remains a suitable habitat for many organisms on land. A food stop has been added to bring in revenue and provide everyone at the park a more enjoyable experience. Our method of construction resulted in very little waste, pollution, and released chemicals, which is evident in the appearance of our park. The park remains a green, eco-friendly place for any and everybody to visit, including all sorts of organisms from all of the kingdoms.